Today on Pro Wheelhouse, we're taking a deep dive into one of India's most iconic names reborn for a new era, the 2025 Hindustan Ambassador 1800 ISZ. Once the king of Indian roads and a symbol of authority, the Ambassador is back, smarter, stronger, and designed to meet the demands of modern Indian drivers. A legacy reimagined. The Ambassador has always carried a unique identity, bulky, bold, and almost regal. The 2025 version pays homage to this legacy with its signature silhouette but brings in fresh elements like LED DRLs, a sleeker grille, and updated curves that balance vintage charm with modern appeal. The dual-tone color options add a contemporary twist without losing its classic roots. Powertrain and performance. Under the hood, the 2025 Ambassador 1800 ISZ features a 1.8-liter inline-4 petrol engine, co-developed with Isuzu, hence the ISZ tag. This powerplant delivers a respectable 130 horsepower and 170 Nm of torque, paired with either a 6-speed manual or a smooth automatic transmission. The Ambassador isn't about raw speed, it's built for relaxed cruising and unmatched road presence. With tuned suspension and improved chassis dynamics, it offers a surprisingly composed ride for city traffic and highway drives alike. Interior comfort and tech. Step inside and you'll notice how far the Ambassador has evolved. Gone is the utilitarian dashboard, replaced by a modern, soft-touch layout with a 10-inch infotainment screen, wireless Android Auto and Apple CarPlay, and a digital instrument cluster. Leatherette upholstery, rear AC vents, and ample legroom make this a comfortable ride, especially for families and executives. Despite its retro branding, the 2025 model is packed with practical features for today's lifestyle. Safety and reliability. Hindustan Motors has placed strong emphasis on safety. The new Ambassador comes equipped with 6 airbags, ABS with EBD, traction control, rear parking sensors, and a rear-view camera. Built on a revised monocoque chassis, it meets all current crash test norms, giving peace of mind to buyers who value tradition without compromising safety. Final verdict. The 2025 Hindustan Ambassador 1800 ISZ is more than a comeback, it's a respectful evolution of a legend. With classic design cues, reliable performance, and modern tech, it's aimed at those who want character in their car. If nostalgia mixed with practicality is what you're after, the new Ambassador may just be your next ride. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Pro Wheelhouse for more automotive insights and reviews.